Welcome. We are here to assist with your buying and selling needs. Have questions or would like to schedule a personal tour? Give us a call today at 706-863-1775. Very well maintained move-in ready ranch in Cotswold Place. Patio lot with little to no maintenance, covered front porch, hardwoods throughout main living areas, foyer, and great room with vaulted ceilings and fireplace with granite surround. Kitchen features granite counters, stainless appliances, refrigerator remains, and dining room area. Owner's suite with private bath featuring his and her sinks, walk-in shower, soaking tub, and walk-in closet. 2 additional bedrooms plus hall bath. Screened-in porch with bead board ceiling, low-maintenance backyard with stepping stones, and 2-car garage with plenty of storage. Separate laundry room off of garage, washer and dryer included. Located near Surrey Center, tons of restaurants and shopping center with easy access to I-20 and downtown. Home has been used as a Masters tournament rental as well, great for yearly income. Home